Veera Desai is a trigger word for me. Like when someone says Veera Desai role, I'm like, just shoot me dead. Why? Why are you inviting me anywhere?
Action.
Hi, I'm Kanchi.
And I'm Ria.
And you're officially part of the Slumber Party squad.
So welcome back to the Spoke to Soon pod.
And today we have Sania Mirwani. And she loves her biryani.
Let's go. Very nice.
Was that a
Gulzar,
good rhyme?
amazing. Yeah,
You
very nice.
gave us the rhyme.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Gulzar.
Bro, we can use
Brilliant.
this rhyme for me also if you ever want to
Yeah.
give me an intro because
So
even
why
I love
would we want to
biryani.
give you an intro?
Why don't you want
It's
to
your
Riya
pod.
Gurnani.
Loves her biryani.
Yeah.
Or you think of
For
something else.
anything.
I was trying to think of something else. Gurnani. No, sorry.
Loves her
biryani. Biryani.
Loves her
Loves her
nani.
nani. Yeah.
Yeah, cute.
Yeah. I
do,
Mine
yeah.
is dead. So.
Oh my
Sorry,
god,
continue.
Sanu.
So I do love her still.
Yes.
She's just
Guys,
unalive.
Only person on the pod who has stuck
One
to the
little
theme.
pajamas.
Slay. Listen, you all said to come in something I sleep in.
Yeah.
This is something I truly sleep in. I don't sleep in jewelry, but I thought it would be a little fancy.
Or makeup.
Or makeup for that matter. But this is truly what I sleep in. So this is what I've come in. This is the world's most comfortable outfit. And actually it is my nani's.
Oh. Even my nani wears this. You know,
Yeah,
so
it's a nani outfit.
Yeah, but
very
it's the
nice.
comfiest.
It's the best. Actually, I was gonna bring another one, but all of them are torn. Okay, so I have like a really sexy slit on all of them.
Wow.
But I didn't want to show so much skin today, so
If
I've
I
come
knew
dressed
that
like
you
this.
were gonna wear like your literal pajamas, all my actual pajamas, like this obviously it's like brand new, I just cut the tag today.
Yeah.
But if I literally wore my actual pajamas, they're torn, they're ripped, the
torn.
neck is falling apart.
Nobody is sleeping in like a sexy little
Yeah,
outfit.
except Kanchi.
Yeah, okay.
She actually sleeps in this.
You
huh?
actually sleep
Sometimes
in
when
this.
I feel like it's a good
Okay,
day.
how do you sleep in pants?
I can't sleep in pants.
I can't sleep in
I
pants.
can sleep in pants, shorts,
Jeans
pajamas.
you can
no,
sleep in?
No, I'm not that person.
We've had this conversation,
On
like
the
an
pod.
intense conversation about people that travel
in jeans.
in jeans
That's
are really
disgusting.
messed up.
And then you traveled in jeans.
Yeah, because it was really cold in Delhi and we were coming back from Delhi to Bombay.
You don't have those like really thick sweatpants.
I mean, I did, yeah.
Yeah.
But then I...
You were just lazy then.
Yeah, I was lazy. I didn't want to change and all. I was
Imagine
like,
being
forget
lazy
it.
and being in jeans.
I know.
Like the word, like lazy means removing your jeans.
Loki, can I say something? It wasn't that bad.
It was wide-legged.
It was wide leg jeans, yeah.
Okay, that's
And there was
still
a rip
better.
in the knee, so I could
So-
fold
Oh, so
my
you could
legs.
fold
and,
your legs. Yeah. Because I'm a big. Sorry, Mike. I'm a big like need to fold my legs
Same.
everywhere.
You remove your shoes and like put your legs
Move
up
my
on
shoes,
slide.
legs up. Yeah.
Same.
Crash like this.
This is a perfect place for you then.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna be asleep. That's why they're feeding me coffee actually, so that I don't fall asleep.
We wanted to ask you, we have no idea. Like, I have no idea what do you do.
What do I do?
Yeah, literally.
Yes.
Like, you're a stand-up comic. You
Yes,
make
ma'am.
videos.
Yes, sir.
You have a channel, Someone Stop Sania.
Yes.
You do crazy shit on that.
Yes.
And you
Crazy
have
shit. And she makes people do crazy
a
shit.
I do,
production
I
house
do.
also.
So okay,
And 1 second, you work a corporate job also.
yeah. So basically, you
Brother.
you know Sanjana Textiles, Sanjana. No. So basically, I'm a writer for the most part. Okay, that is the truth. Now I'm a freelancer, so I freelance for multiple agencies, companies. I write branded stuff. I write the corporate job you're talking about is I was writing for a fintech company. So I write for a fintech company. I write for everybody. Uske baad, now stand-up is also a form of writing only.
Yeah,
I
right.
write jokes for an audience. And then Someone Stop Sania is just this stupid company decided to give me some money and I am exploiting it and having the time of my life. Because I just like to try different things and I really want to be doing different things. And so, so exactly what y'all are doing to them, I am doing to, my people. And Someone Stop Sania is that. So Ria's obviously been on an
Yes.
episode where we did
I saw.
High Rocks simulation, which she called stimulation.
Bro, you know what? I did the whole interview and then at the end, like after the whole thing was done, was it Delzeen or Jay or someone goes like, by the way, it's simulation. And I was like, wow.
She said,
Thanks.
and there's so many people have come up to me and she's like, you know that girl in your show, she said stimulation. As if I have not seen the cut 8 times.
Yeah, and there's
But
like
it's
an
so
audio
sweet.
that makes it sound like, what the fuck is she saying?
Yeah. We make every stupid moment black and white. So we do that.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
So but that was great. But you killed it on that episode.
Sania, you have ruined my life. Can I just say?
The best one is
That
Riya's coming.
Tingu girl.
That Tingu. Riya's coming. And she's like, yeah, I'll do it. I'll do all of it. It'll be fine. I'll do. And then she has picked up the 5 kg dumbbell. And vertigo has happened, okay? So she has fallen straight down. And I'm like, she will do. I have faith. She will do.
Everyone, I think at some point they made me pick up 2 5 kg dumbbells.
Yeah, that was wrong.
That's,
they made you
that's
do was
not
wrong.
right. Yeah, and they were like, you got this. I don't got this. And till date, like, I've just started, by the way, like this fitness journey.
Yes, I saw on your Instagram.
Right, so
yeah.
I do like maybe like 2 kgs in my hand or something.
But now
max.
you can tell your gym trainer, I've done 5, 10.
You're mad
15.
or what?
You can do. You can pick up, I'll tell you what, by the end of this, you'll be benching Kanchi only.
Oh, God.
Straight up. You can just hold her and bench her. That is the goal. That's what you should be aiming for. Imagine the video. It gets crazy, guys. Bench Kanchi. Spoke too soon. I'll tell you what, for me, it really wasn't. I actually didn't want to do that episode. It was not my idea. Every other episode has been like a combination of mine or my team's ideas. We've come together. This was an idea that Jay had. And I'll tell you what, when I went on having said that, I made so much fun of Jay that I think he was plotting revenge. And he was like, Sanya, why don't you do a high rock simulation episode? It'll be so good, bro. Just think about it. Jude, it'll be insane. I was like, okay, Jude, let's do it. I'm such a fucking loser. I don't know why. Jay was seeming cool, okay, at that point. He was like, Jude, we'll do it. And I was like, yeah, it'll be so good. I got fucking played, is what I got. He's an asshole. He knew I would struggle, and all he wanted was to see me struggle. In the beginning, this part is cut, okay, from the episode. Because Delzine also said so shit about me on the episode. So all of that is there. But Jay also, in the beginning of the episode, when they asked him, they're like, yeah, Sanya's a bit cocky, but I can't wait to see her fall or some shit like that. And I was like, you fucking asshole. This was your plan all along. You just wanted me to struggle on camera. But I respect it. It's
But
fine.
you actually did really well.
I did all right.
You killed
Yeah,
it.
but I think he wanted just for me to struggle, and he got it.
And
I
you
lost
wanted someone to
also.
struggle a little more than you, so you found
So I
me
found
to do
you.
it with you.
Exactly. You got to pass it on.
And now
Yeah, was
people
I
only know me for that video.
I'm obsessed. I would love that if that is true.
They're like, have you seen Riyadh at the gym in that other girl's video? Please don't watch that video.
No, dude. But
That
it was a
Tingu's
lot
line
of fun.
was stuck in
That
my head.
Tingu was that funny.
Yeah.
Delzine was so mean.
And you know, Delzine is telling me, like, when I was there, like, you're so good at this. You got this. Come on, you're so good. You're killing it. And then when I see, like, the interviews, I'm like, okay, like this is not fair.
Yeah.
Like, this is not what I was told.
That's what the interviews are for, because it's the inner monologue that we don't hear, because everyone is fake and everyone's a bitch.
Hey, I said
You
nice
said,
things.
yeah, but you fucked up now. You're like stimulation. We are making fun of you only. So that's the other thing. No, it was a lot of fun. Can't you supposed to be in that episode?
Yeah, I was not here. I was traveling. But
Yeah.
if me
Good
and
job.
Ria were together,
y'all were paired
in a
up
team,
together,
then sorry.
We will lose.
We would have to have like you all would be Kacha Nimbu team.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have to
Thank
have
God I
someone
had
in our team with
Yeah,
us.
Jay would be in your team then. That's how it would have worked.
Then you were 200% lose.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
lost
yeah.
a one, son.
We
won,
lost.
no?
You won.
Yeah,
You lost a one, Sally. No, they won. Yeah, Ariana is fucking killer.
She's too good.
She
bro.
was too
She's
good.
Like those, what is that thing where you,
The wall balls.
the wall balls, she did all of them. I did one wall ball.
Dude, the wall balls, on Instagram when I've seen my friends do it, it seems easy.
It does seem very easy.
It seems easy, but this was insanity. I was hitting my face so much with that fucking ball.
How heavy was it?
Bro,
Very.
It's you think it's like that really
Normal
light.
ball, yeah.
It's not a regular. It's like
It's like a 5
weighted.
kilo, 8 kilo ball.
Yeah.
And you have to
like-
throw it up and down, and squat and pick. My hand-eye coordination is not so good only.
Same. Bro, if someone throws a ball at me, I will duck.
Yeah.
I can't catch a ball.
But you did really well, Ria. I will say.
Okay.
You honestly did really well.
I tried my best, yeah.
You pulled
Dead
her away.
after that
I
for
was
days.
Yeah, for days I could not. And that night only Sanya was like, listen, I'm not gonna be able to sit or stand or do anything. And I was like, yeah, same.
Yeah, that night I was really scared that the next day I wouldn't be able to move. But touch wood, I was able to go out and all. But I didn't go to the gym for the next few days.
Was that the craziest video?
No. I think the Thar off-roading video
Yeah.
is insane.
I went off-roading for one of the videos, and that one was a little scary because I also only drive in North America.
Oh.
So I've not driven a lot in India. But
Okay, ma'am.
apparently, like, but honestly, after driving in car and off-roading is the same. You know, you're just like
Of course.
taking so I feel like now I'm prepared because I went off-roading, didn't kill anybody, didn't kill myself. Also, I drove into a lake at one point,
Oh.
so that was also very fun. But that is off-roading. You're supposed to, and
Yeah.
then there was like a really high, like, honestly, in the video it doesn't look as high, but in real
it
life
looks
it was a
high.
really high cliff, and we had to drive down it, and it's like khadda, 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 khadda. So you fuck up, you die. So at least I was not gonna die during the High Rocks episode.
Bro, I can't even sit in the car when if someone took me off-roading. I
Yeah.
would be really scared.
Even if someone is driving roughly, I can't.
You would be crying
I
in the
would be-
car.
But you know, I get really scared of like rough driving. Like when people
Yeah,
are
yeah.
rash driving, and I'm in the car, I'm that person who's like, please slow down, please slow down,
Same.
please slow
Like,
down.
same.
I don't like it when people drive. This sounds so crazy, but in the leftmost lane, like near on the
Yeah.
ceiling, when there's just
Because
like
there's
water
water.
on the side.
Same.
I'm like, please don't drive in the corner. Like drive somewhere in
Yeah.
the middle.
This
Even
is-
if I
this is
drive,
a bit
I drive
much.
in the middle lane.
Okay, fair enough. In America I drive in the middle lane
Yeah.
too because there's so many lanes. It's
Yeah.
just easier. Sometimes you take left, sometimes you take right.
Yeah.
So it's just easier to switch if you're always in the middle. That's how I think of it.
You know, we wanted you on the pod for so long, but we never know when you're here and when you're there and what you're doing.
That is, you know, my friends say they have abandonment issues from me because
you can't.
I bounce. Every time I'm at an airport, I'm crying. By the way, because I don't know when I'm coming back. Sometimes it's a couple of weeks after, so it's fucking pointless. But I'm always taking one-way flights because it's not because I'm cool and I'm traveling and all of that. It's literally because I don't know when I'm gonna get work and when I'm gonna be fired from work. You know what I'm saying? Like it's always like this project has come, but it may not come, it may come, it may not come. So I'm constantly up and down for that reason. So that's the main thing. And also Praja, my fiance, is in Toronto.
She'll be married by the time this episode.
Yeah, actually, my husband will yuck.
Y'all have been together for like some 14 years. or
14
something,
years,
right?
yeah.
What?
Yeah, my current
Was
fiance
it,
is what I'm calling him right now.
Long
He's your
distance or
So we've been together 14 years. 4 of those years was in person, then 10 was long distance.
10
was long distance?
Yeah, which is why I'm going up and down here so much because we would
Oh,
like
he's
to
been
see
there
each
for
other.
the whole 10 years.
So no, I have been okay. So 2011 we met. Okay. No, we met in 2009. 2009.
Shit, I was 9.
I was 8.
Sanya.
Yeah, I was a whore. I was not fucking. I was just enjoying. So I was 12. Okay, we were just friends. We were holding hands. How old are you guys?
I'm 25.
Okay, so you're not that.
24.
Yeah,
Huh, you're not that young.
We're not
okay,
that
cool.
young,
Okay, good. God bless. I swear you're like, I was 9. I'm like, shut the fuck up. Anyway, so when was your first boyfriend?
8th grade. So maybe 13. Close
so
enough.
Same.
First
Not like
boyfriend.
you were crazy young. It's just the timeline in my head.
Correct. So
yeah.
8th standard, Praja and I started dating. My 8th is 10th standard. I was dating senior.
Oh, older boy.
Yeah, slut. Anyway, so me and Praja were dating. Then after that, I moved to New York when I was 17.
Okay.
I spent 17 to 24 in New York.
Damn.
Yeah, and then 25 and 26, I was to 25 in New York, and then 26, 27, I've been in between Toronto and Bombay.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
So you haven't been in Bombay for a long time.
For a really long time. So actually, for me, Bombay is a completely new place.
Compared to what it was.
What it was, yeah. I feel, of course, I was visiting a lot, but I feel like there are lots of things I'm still learning. You learn and you forget.
Yeah.
No, because see, 17 to 23, I think, is the age where you make your closest friends.
Yes.
You grow up the
Yes.
most.
You go out a lot
You
with
become
your
a human being.
Yeah.
Right? You form your own personality outside of your parents' personality or whatever. And I feel like that for me was in America. So all of my closest friends, so many of my core memories are there. So, but now I'm forming them here. I'm actually very disloyal. I don't really care. If I'm in New York, I love New York. If I'm in Toronto, I love Toronto. If I'm in Bombay, I love Bombay. I don't particularly miss a place. Like, I'm feeling, no, it's fine. I'm okay.
Like you're not those people who's like Bombay versus New York. What's
I don't give a
better?
fuck. Both are fine.
Do you think you're just saying that because you know you have to go back and forth, so you do it as like an adjusting
Coping
mindset?
mechanism.
Yeah, coping mechanism.
I would think so, but I've also lived in Nantucket, which is a little island outside of Massachusetts. like it's in Massachusetts, was outside of Boston. It's a small island. There are 5,000 people on that island.
Oh, crazy.
There were 4 Indians, including me. Me and these 3 Nepali guys
Oh my god.
who had a restaurant. Very nice restaurant.
Indian restaurant.
Yeah, they are an Indian restaurant, and like they had all kinds of Indian food because it was just anything
Yeah.
they wanted. I loved that also. I was very happy there also. And there the people were like, get me out. There was like no McDonald's, Starbucks. There was nothing on that island. It was all only locally
Local
grown.
stuff.
Tiny
things.
cafes
Yeah.
and.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
I lived there for 6 months in the winter,
Oh my god.
and I loved it. I had the best time.
I
So
think-
I really don't. I'll tell you what.
You're an adjusting person.
I'm
Yeah,
just a
that's what I was
narcissist. I love me so much. No, I don't care where I am. I'm happy only.
I think you can adjust anywhere.
Yeah, except Andheri. This is a bit much. Gotta say, guys.
Loki,
We
same.
hate Andheri.
We hate Andheri.
Yeah, I'm a little bit. If I'm in Bombay, I'm a bitch. I'm like, I will not come to Andheri.
Listen, you know, every time
Yet I'm
we
here, guys.
Yeah.
For y'all.
Thanks.
Yeah.
we appreciate it. Every time we call someone also on the pod, like we explicitly tell them,
Yeah.
listen, we're shooting in Andheri. Is that okay with you?
You know, Veera Desai is a trigger word for me. Like when someone says Veera Desai Road, I'm like, just shoot me dead. Why? Why are you inviting me anywhere? I was like, and you know, now I know what I hate is I know the way here.
Yeah.
I'm like, why do I know this? Why is this taking brain capacity of mine? Why do I know this route? Do you know there's a flyover called Mrinal Taigore flyover?
No.
Fucking
Where is it?
great flyover, by the way. Thank you, BMC. One thing you all did right. Great fucking flyover. Connects you farafat. Not, you'll never go. It's fine.
Where is it?
It's here only. It's you can go where you can go. Andheri to it east to west. It connects.
I'm sure
it
I've
connects
gone.
east to west. So one time, I have a cousin who's in Lokhandwala, and I'm an idiot. I went to Kandivali instead because there's a Lokhandwala in Kandivali also.
What?
Fun fact. So I went to
There's a
Lokhandwala, Kandivali, not Lokhandwala, Andheri West.
Oh,
And then when I reached Kandivali to go from this Lokhandwala to the other Lokhandwala, Mrinal Taigore flyover. Iconic, best flyover in the world.
Bro, I thought this flyover ka construction was kept on hold for really
What,
long.
Mrinal Taigore? I love saying it only, Mrinal Taigore. Say it 3 times, sure.
Mrinal Taigore.
Fast, fast.
Mrinal
I'm not saying it.
Mrinal Taigore.
Good job, good job. They've never been
Riya
also,
would be
Mrinal
able to-
Taigore flyover.
I'm sure I've been, but I just don't
I
know
don't
it's
think
called
I've
that.
been on it.
I'm not even sure, it's Mrinal Taigore only, no? Correct.
He
huh?
knows.
You said it so many times, even if it's not, they've changed the
They
name.
changed the name. Mrinal Taigore. Iconic flyover. Favorite top flyovers in Bombay. Mrinal Taigore flyover. Sea-Link.
Coastal Road.
Coastal Road. Coastal Road's very
Kind of,
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coastal Road is sexy, bro.
Very
I
hot.
love Milan Bridge if you've ever gone.
Where is Milan Bridge?
I know, Grand Road.
No,
Somewhere. Oh, where's Milan?
Santa Cruz to Villepardi.
shit.
Oh, that bridge I've not used that much. I'm not going Santa Cruz to Villepardi now. Where were you earlier?
Town.
Where?
Nana Chowk.
Nana Chowk.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
Armpit or South Bombay it is, but it's fine. Nice only it is.
What does that mean?
See, South Bombay also has categories, no?
Yeah.
You're
I
so
feel
right.
like-
Say more.
Like Tardeo is like really the worst. I hate Tardeo. Okay, like I just anyone who says I'm from South Bombay and then they live in Tardeo, I'm like, shut up. You're in the armpit. You're in the armpit of South Bombay. How can you come with so much cough? औकात में रहो थोड़ा. Like what? I'm from Tardeo. You know, actually, I knew someone who lived next to Swati Snacks in Tardeo,
yeah.
and they were calling it New Kemp's Corner.
It's
What
not called New
nonsense!
Camp.
It's not New Kemp's Corner.
There's only one Kemp's Corner.
Exactly. This is the new thing also. No, they're calling, what is that area? They're
New
calling New
Cuff
Cuff Parade.
Near, I know that.
That is also triggering.
New Cuff
Yeah,
Parade.
how can you name it Cuff Parade?
Which
It's
is
not New
somewhere in the
Cuff Parade.
central, na?
Yeah. Where is it? New
Somewhere
Cuff Parade?
Chembur side,
Chembur
somewhere
side
there.
it is. New Cuff Parade.
Yeah,
Horrible.
we could be so wrong about where
No,
it is,
no,
but
it is somewhere there.
yeah.
Somewhere unimportant. The other thing that's really upset me is that they renamed Elphinstone Station to Prabha Devi Station. Elphinstone Station is not in Prabha Devi. That is not Prabha Devi. Siddhivinayak Mandir is in Prabha Devi.
Yeah.
If you have to go from Siddhivinayak Mandir to a closest station, it's not Elphinstone.
Prabhadevi.
You can take the metro from there for
Yeah.
sure, yes, but you can go to Dadar and Elphinstone. It is both equidistant. It is not Prabhadevi Station. This has upset me so much. They have called it Prabhadevi Station. It's not Prabhadevi. That area is fucking Elphinstone and Lower Parel. The irritating bridges that there's so much traffic. It is not Prabhadevi. You can do whatever you want, BMC. That's not Prabhadevi. That's end right.
you know,
Elphinstone is a nice name.
Elphinstone is very nice name, but it's not Prabhadevi. Please stop calling it Prabhadevi Station. If it's, oh, you call Prabhadevi Station, it's not. Guys, it's not in Prabhadevi. It's not in Prabhadevi. It's too far away from Siddhivinayak Mandir. That's Prabhadevi. Anyway, continue. Sorry, your podcast actually.
Have
You
you
continue.
gone in the new metro, by the way? I love it.
I haven't taken the new metro. I was supposed to because it's very close to my house
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah,
But
same.
I haven't taken it yet. But I
I'm
intend
obsessed.
to.
Apparently, it's really convenient.
Yeah.
And I would love to take it to Andheri because I don't want to be stuck in traffic for like 2 hours.
Crazy how public transport can help. No? It's amazing. No, it's not your fault. It's BMC.
No, but 1 minute. It's not helping. It's not helping
There's
because
no
I have to
station.
switch around in the
Yeah.
middle, yard. And then it's so close to this place.
But switching, darling, now you have to do at some point.
I don't want to do that. And also, I want direct.
You want direct. And I'll tell you what, we'll tell them, you know how they have that direct lift, no, in people's house. We'll do a direct lift into your house.
The lift
Directly
will
take you to the metro niche. And directly you will go. You will switch.
Did you know that the metro station near Phoenix, like near Palladium, I told her this also, it's damn cool. They have their own shuttle.
To go
What are
to
you saying?
Phoenix.
That's what I want. That's all I'm asking for. There's an Innova car that goes up and down.
So you
it
want a
takes
shuttle from your house
From the metro to your
from the metro station to here.
I'll tell you what it's called, a car and driver, which you can get.
She has.
So then what is the problem? You have a shuttle. This is too much. You not only have a shuttle, you have a private shuttle. Your car, your driver. Take
She
it.
has it.
This is not your problem. Next problem. Oh my god. BMC is calling.
They heard us.
Sorry. Best amazing elections are coming, but we love you. You do as you please. We love you very much. God bless.
She just doesn't want to sit in the car for hours.
Okay,
Yeah,
fair
like
enough.
I want a shortcut.
I have a better idea. Why don't you build an office next to you and you bring all of them there? They'll all take Minal Tagore flyover.
She also lives in the corner of the city.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I live very far. But Kanchi's old house actually was going to be our studio.
Oh,
initially.
wow.
Yeah. But it's
Then what
right.
happened?
But it's right in the main road. There's too much noise.
It's really
Noise.
noisy. Yeah.
Now, Bombay, that's a problem.
Yeah, like
Here
it's,
also there's no.
here also there's a lot of noise.
But
yeah.
it's very well covered.
No, sis, wait for the noise.
Yeah, I mean, it's coming from her phone. And she doesn't have to. She's like, there's too much noise outside.
So we are actually very excited to have you right now because it's the perfect time to have you on the pod because
Because
you have
I'm getting
just
married.
no, you have just gotten
Oh, I've
married.
gotten married. Sorry. Yeah, too good. This is the rudest thing anyone could have said to me because she has just been like, we're very excited now that you know your wife. Now that
No, we
you-
won the tea from the wedding.
What was
from the wedding. I love it. I'll make up tea from the
the
wedding.
wedding planning?
Yeah, for the
wedding
wedding
planning.
planning.
First of all, I walked in here and Kanchi and Riya looked at me like, how old are you? Like 55 years old. They're like, we thought you were 30. We thought you were 29. Just
What
because I'm
rubbish.
getting married, I'm being aged.
No.
But
Anyone who
I'm
comes to this pod gets aged. It's a thing.
literally, I'm 27. Actually, I was in the Mumbai Mirror right now because I'd
I
done
saw
an
that.
article there.
We saw.
Then also, I was very happy with the article. Great job. They wrote 28-year-old bride. I'm like, fuck you guys. I'm 27.
But
I'm
next year
27
you will be
years old.
28, huh?
Next year, no,
You're
next year you will be
getting
55. So it's not my problem. Yeah, I am getting married in a couple of weeks from now. 2 weeks from now. And I'm doing everything but wedding planning. I am doing live shows. I'm doing podcasts. I've come here twice now.
Veera Desai.
To Veera Desai Road, my least favorite road in Bombay, in case anyone's asking. Yeah. What is your favorite? Sorry, no, roads. I was like, what are your top 10 roads in Bombay?
I can talk about this.
Okay, chal. Can't you like this topic? Top 10 favorite roads in Bombay.
I like Walkeshwar.
Of course you do. You give only the energy. I hate Walkeshwar.
Tell
Continue.
her why you like
Tell
Walkeshwar.
Walkeshwar.
My
I like-
school was there.
Okay, I'll tell you why I hate
And many of
Walkeshwar.
my friends
Because of
live there.
Gopi Birla.
No. I don't have anything personal against them. I don't like Walkeshwar because that whole area is only vegetarian food.
Oh my god, yes. You know what? I have a really fun fact.
It's a VIP road also, so there's always traffic. That's another thing.
But
But I like it because of
there
the
is
views.
traffic.
The
view
and
is
the
pretty.
Malabar Hill. And
Malabar
all
is very
that.
pretty. View is very pretty. Yeah, of course, very gorgeous. But
Yeah.
you only get like veg shawarma.
yeah, and
I don't want to eat veg shawarma.
there's a Starbucks at Chowpatty, which is the only vegetarian Starbucks in the entire world.
What? That
Yes.
Starbucks is veg?
Because
That's a
that
really interesting
area
fun
is
fact. I
supposed
did
to
not
be-
know. Because
Yeah.
it's supposed to be vegetarian.
Yeah, that whole area is supposed to be veg. So they can't just like serve non-veg or bring chicken in. So that's the only veg Starbucks.
In the gully, that Starbucks in the Chowpatty ka
Yeah.
gully.
Yes.
Yeah. So anyway, so Walkeshwar is your favorite road. What's your favorite road?
No, you'll get irritated.
No, I won't. You say na.
Worldly sea face.
Okay, cute. I
I
accept it.
love worldly sea
That's
face.
Yeah.
approved.
Yeah, it's a nice road. Ocean, very nice.
I love it.
It's
And
a
then the
common
coastal
take.
road-
It's a nice
Yeah.
take. I like it.
And like there's a house over there, like there's a building
I'm
called.
surprised you say that because Colaba
It's
is
like-
gorgeous.
Bro, literally.
I love Colaba, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But I'm pissed at this point because I travel to Andheri so much and I'm so far in the corner.
That's fair.
I
That's
just,
fair.
like,
it's
I-
not accessible.
Not
for
at
sure.
all. And even
Yeah.
for my friends and stuff to come over, it's
Yeah.
like 2 minutes from my house,
40
Yeah.
minutes.
dead end. It's just ocean, which is okay, yeah, flex, whatever. But also I can't reach anywhere.
I too love Colaba.
Even
I love the
like
streets
it.
of
fan.
Kala Ghoda also.
Kala Ghoda. I
Kala
love
Ghoda is a vibe.
Navy Nagar hai.
When I was a kid, I loved it so much. My parents would take me for a drive inside Navy Nagar.
Yeah,
For fun.
if I could live in Navy Nagar, I would live in Navy
Oh,
Nagar. I
really?
love the idea of being cut off from everybody.
Yeah.
Take time to come to my house. Show your Aadhaar card at the gate. I like that.
Bro, I'm gonna use this now.
I'm like, you take time. I don't care.
Mine-
You show your Aadhaar card, show your information. Everything. I'm in Navy Nagar. Anything can happen here.
Navy Nagar is
the
actually where I
best
learned how to
place.
drive.
Navy Nagar is the
Really?
place where I
It's
gave
very
my
sunsan.
boards.
You gave your boards in
Because
Navy
my
Nagar.
school was CBSE and we are not supposed to give the boards in our own
Own school, you have
so
center.
our center was in Navy school and it was in Navy Nagar and we had to go every day. It was far but still it was a vibe.
But mine
Yeah.
was ICSE, so I gave it in my own.
But it was a
Even
chill
I gave in my own
environment.
school, but HSC boards I gave in
You have to-
one school opposite VT station.
Mine was opposite Kala Ghoda, next to
Same,
West
ours was
Side.
the same. Elphinstone
Oh,
school.
Elphinstone.
College.
Trigger. Elphinstone College, where was it?
Fort.
Oh, surprised not in Prabhadevi. But yeah.
They
of
don't
course.
like to use their own
Anything
name.
they name Elphinstone nowadays. Elphinstone is anything.
Elphinstone and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Same. Yeah. And now Geo.
Yeah, Geo.
Now
Everything is Geo also.
Now we'll have Geo Airport, Geo World Drive, Geo this, Geo that. Everything is Geo. Geo, Volisiphus also exists actually.
What you saying?
I'm talking about.
Oh, the house. yeah. So there's this one house on Worli. That is my dream home. Like
Okay.
I now I know the name of the building. I don't want to say it out loud because then you all will buy
Good
the
to
house.
know
And
that.
I will
Yeah,
have to
yeah,
buy the
yeah.
house.
Don't tell them, don't tell them.
But that house is insane. I'll tell you off camera later.
Done.
Is it near Isha Ambani?
I've told you. You don't remember.
I don't know.
You're a
I've
bad
told
friend.
you.
Horrible.
She
Don't remember her
doesn't
likes and
remember
dislikes.
anything.
And here we are with you not remembering.
Yeah, and that I love. Like I'm manifesting living like at Worli Sea Face in that house and having parties on that terrace. Like it's a
That's so cute. I love that. I also love Worli
But
Seaface.
Colaba over Worli, na?
Colaba over.
Yeah.
I would
I love
live in
Colaba.
Colaba any day of the week. If someone tells me we're letting you move to Colaba tomorrow, I would go.
Fair. It's a very like calm area. Loki, I think the reason Colaba is so nice is because everything else is so noisy and cluttered. Like Lower
So
Parel
there
and
are
Delhi.
areas in Colaba that are too.
Yes,
but
like
somehow it's just, I don't know, yeah, maybe it's the British architecture. But it's damn nice. I too love it there. And ocean, no, I mean, oceans throughout. But the thing is, the way infrastructure is also developed, we've ignored every other part. Only Colaba
Yeah.
seems to have nice roads. So
Hey, it doesn't have nice roads.
it has, yeah. Come to Mineral Thai Gore is good. But what Mineral Thai connects to is not very good. You will see they are making bridges also like that nowadays. They're not meeting in the middle. So, you know.
Okay, back to your wedding.
Yes, my wedding, sorry.
Yes, yes.
My wedding is not happening on a bridge, by the way. Just wanted to add
If
that.
you could, you would, na?
If I could, I would. Actually, my wedding invite has the sea link on it.
Oh, I saw the car and the...
It has the sea link on it. So I have a bridge on my wedding
Why
card
on
as well.
Mrinal
I
Thai?
really didn't know I liked bridges so much. I am discovering innate detail
Do
about
you like
myself.
Taylor Swift bridges by any chance?
I don't
You're
know
setting
Taylor
yourself
Swift.
up for
Yeah,
some-
I don't know. A very good artist. I don't know a lot of her songs. I know some, and I like some
Yeah.
very much. I like Land, the Sea. I like that one a lot. Nice one. I like all
Because
that.
land, sea, bridge.
Bridge, exactly. Yeah, I love bridges, guys. Confession time. Bridges best. Amazing.
At your wedding,
Yes.
back to the topic, you should give a speech about bridges.
Yeah.
Anyway, so you are getting married
Yes.
soon.
Yes.
How does it feel to be getting?
Honestly, I'm quite okay with it. Only okay with it. I'm happy about it. But I'm currently it's not hit me yet that like I'm getting married. You know.
But
what I'm saying?
you had like an engagement party and all that stuff,
Yeah,
right?
so the thing is, so Praja proposed in Goa. I actually had no idea. did not tell him
Usually
any of
people
it.
have, na, thoda thoda.
Yeah, usually people do. I'll tell you what happened. My best friend Ahad, Praja told him that that he will propose to me a couple of 6 to 8 months after he actually did.
Okay.
So he was feeding my best friend wrong information.
Oh, so your
So
best friend
you're-
told.
So my best friend was feeding me wrong information because he knew that whatever he tells Ahad will come back to me. So he told Ahad that I'm not ready yet, I'm planning, but I don't know. So in my head, we were going to get engaged 2-3 years from now.
Oh my god.
You know what I'm saying? So I was like, okay, whatever. whatever. And then my other best friend Saloni was getting married in December, and all my friends from New York flew down because my entire friend group in New York was flying down for her wedding, and she's also from America, so she also flew down actually for her own wedding, and we all went to Jaipur for her wedding, and then they all came to Bombay. My friends, I showed them around Bombay, showed them around Colaba. Mrinaltai, I didn't take them to. Just Colaba, I took them to. Then after that, we all decided to take a trip to Goa. And in that trip to Goa, some of my other very, very close friends who live in Australia, who live in Canada,
They all
live in
flew
Dubai,
down.
they all flew down to Goa and they all surprised me. I had no idea any of them were flying down. And there's actually a video when Praja proposes, they all come running down,
Yeah.
and I'm looking at all of them. And I'm like, where are you guys staying? Like, what hotel are you all in? How did you get here? And all of them had fed me lies, right? Like, that they had a meeting or they're working. And I was like, how did that? And Praja was like, will you just focus on the fact that this is a surprise? And I was like, where's the Excel sheet for all of this? You know, like how? And I was just so confused that this had all been planned. And honestly, I felt a little bit of FOMO from the planning.
Yeah.
You know, because I'm a planner. And I'm like, what do you mean? Like, how?
You did all this without me.
I was like, how could you plan? And I realized, I'm like, wow, what a manipulator. And this man has lied to me. So much he has lied. For what? Of course, to propose to me, which is very sweet and I'm very grateful. But if he can lie about this, what else is he lying about?
You know what? I've had this exact same conversation where I've been like, I would rather know than feel fooled at the end of it.
Why
No,
you
I
be
would rather
fooled
not
by it?
know because I would have taken over.
No, but I don't mind taking it over. I'll do it properly.
But he did it properly only.
His
Yeah,
was really
his was-
nice,
His was
bro.
very good. Lots of things went extremely wrong, of course. Like
The
for
weather?
example,
Was it the weather?
No, so the weather and all was fine. But so we went. So I'll tell you the whole story, right? So we are in Goa, and first of all, my friend Mustansir, who's very important to this story, he is like mine and Praja's third wheel, right? It's been the three of us since we were 12 years old. Okay. So Mustansir flew in from Australia for this. And he was coming on the trip. I knew he was coming on the trip. We're all hanging out. We're having a good time. And Praja obviously told him to plan a few things with Tanisha. And a couple of those things was they wanted to get fireworks. But Mustansir managed to get rockets for 20 rupees.
Oh my god.
Which if you know the price of rockets, they're not 20 rupees. And then Praja told him, we're going to do it on the beach, but don't do one design. You know, don't do a flower petal essay one, like one marry me dirty thing. Don't do that. Tanisha and Mustansir did exactly that. And not only did they do exactly that, when I was sitting at the restaurant, I was here, Praja was here, behind there
They were
doing
doing
all
all
of
this.
this. And Praja is like dying, okay? He's
What
looking
if
at me,
you
he's
were-
trying to... If I turned around, I would have seen them, but I have chashma, I can't see anything. So that's a good thing.
You are me.
So I was like talking to Praja, and Praja's clearly panicking, okay? And what happened is he was supposed to take me, and the sun was setting, so he had to take me to the place. So he kept saying, let's go. And I'm like, but I want to order food. He's like, no, let's go right now. I want to play badminton. And I was like, what? He's like, I want to play badminton on the beach. And the thing is that Praja and I met for the first time playing badminton.
That's so cute.
So he's like, I want to play badminton. I'm like, are you mad? We are on fucking Baga Beach. Not in Baga, we are on Anjuna Beach, okay?
Yeah.
In Goa, dirty fucking beach. Top 10 worst beaches. I'm like, are you mad? We're in Anjuna Beach. I'm not going and playing badminton. He's like, I want to play badminton. I'm like, no. He's like, I had a dream that you and me were on the beach and we were playing badminton. And I was like, okay, now to make your dream. Let's go. So I'm like, okay, fine. He's like, then they obviously signal him to not come because there's a cow.
oh
my
shit.
And a cow has sat in the middle of my proposal decor.
Are you joking?
There's footage of this.
What?
The cow is there. Now Mustansir is going, move cow, move, go away, go away. And he's going at it. And he's like, moo, moo, moo. He's going at it. He's trying to get this cow to move. Cow is not moving. And so he's telling Praja to stop. So now I've agreed to play badminton. So Praja's
Praja
like,
has to say no.
Praja's like, actually, first order the starters. I'm like, I thought, he's like, no, you order the food, we'll play badminton, then we'll come back, we'll eat. I was like, okay, fine. I'm like, why are you acting so weird? So I'm like, okay, fine. I'm ordering the starters now. I've ordered some rava, something. Then again, he's like, actually, let's go. What is wrong with you? So I'm like, Pracha, you're behaving so weird right now. So like, go. Take the badminton racket, the shuttlecock is in my hand. We go down, and now this is Anjana Beach, guys. It's not a private, sexy beach, everything. There's uncle scratching his, body. There's some other people playing football. Anything is happening. It's a public beach in Goa. It's horrible. So it's amazing, actually. I love it. But still, I'm like, okay, fine, we're going. And I see those, Praja takes me, and we are playing, there's too much wind. So obviously the shuttlecock falls. I'm like, we can't really play. But Praja drops the racket, the shuttlecock, and starts walking away. What are you doing? So now I'm picking up the badminton racket and all that. I'm doing all that nonsense. And then I come in and I see all those flower petals. I've not clocked because I thought kisi ka havan ya kuch, like someone's dead and the ashes have gone or something. So wahan pe they put flowers and things. So I'm like, okay, hoga kuch. And I'm sitting there with him, and then he looks at me and he gives me a fortune cookie. Now, this is also part of our relationship. Our first date ever, Praja and I went somewhere and we ate like thousands of fortune cookies, and then we stole a bunch of fortune cookies from that restaurant.
That's so cute.
Was it all
Complimentary. Yes, it was.
I was thinking the same thing.
It was also fun. I like to say we stole fortune cookies, but they were complimentary. So, we didn't really steal. Yeah, but we took like 20.
You stole them.
We stole them. So that's been our thing. We love fortune cookies. We always get fortune cookies. So he got a fortune cookie and he gave me the fortune cookie. And I was like, why you just brought one? And I was like, okay, I'll share. So I open it and I break the fortune cookie and I give him half. But his hand is in his pocket right now because he has the ring.
Oh.
So I feed it to him. I'm not read the fortune. I feed it to him and he bites my finger. And I'm like, what is wrong with you today? So I'm like, ouch. And it's all on video. I'm like, all this shit is happening. Then I open my fortune. And I see and it says, Anu, will you marry me? And then he goes down on one knee. And then Mustansir is supposed to cue the firecracker. 20 rupee firecracker. Has gone put, 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 put. It has missed Praja's eye by like Ittusa. There is no spark. It's just a bomb. It's gone boom. I am now I've started crying, okay? Like emotionally I started crying. And I suddenly have tears in my eyes and there's a bomb here. I'm like, what is going on? Am I on a prank show? What is happening? I'm like super freaked out now. At this point, normal people would give up. Mustansir was like, second one will try. Maybe that will work. Again, he lights the rocket. Boom. Again, we are like, what is going on? I'm like, what's happening right now? I'm so confused. So I'm crying. Praja's pissed. He's like, what's going on? But okay, we've hugged and all of that. And this is all happening in like 40 seconds, right? We've hugged and then she's like sobbing. Ria is crying. I don't know if it's just laughter or she's emotional. That's too funny.
No, she cries when she laughs.
Laughs, that's so
Bro,
funny.
you are so funny. Oh God.
This is so good for my confidence. I can't believe this.
Next time you come on the pod, I'm not putting makeup.
So finally, after all of this nonsense, then I turn and I see Tanisha. And I see Tanisha and I start crying. And now Tanisha has come running in. And me and Tanisha are standing in the middle of the flower circles. And we are hugging. And Praja is waiting. Okay? He's waiting for this to be done. And then I see a photographer taking, photos, looking like typical movies, wearing a hat and like chashma.
Like undercover photographer.
Undercover types. And I'm looking at him and it's Abhay, who is also a friend of ours. And I'm like, Abhay, what are you doing here? And I'm so taken in by so many people that the least surprising thing was the proposal. Because I was like, all of these people are flown in from such different places. I'm so shocked they all are there. And now, that night I had a job interview. Because as you know, I work many jobs.
Yeah.
So, I had a job interview that I didn't want to cancel. So, everyone else in our friend group went to party after the proposal.
And you went to give the job interview?
I went to, it was an online job interview for America. I went back to the hotel. I gave my job interview. And then I joined them back at the party.
So this whole time that you were like hugging everyone and all, you didn't have the ring yet?
No, he put it on my finger. I just didn't realize. And then after everything, I was like, oh my God, this is so pretty, thank you. Like, I didn't even realize it wasn't even my size. Because that's how it wasn't
how it is,
planned
yeah.
at
Nothing
all.
was planned.
So, I mean, they really planned it, but at the same time,
It's hard to
like,
get the ring
it's hard to
size.
get
Yeah.
ring size. He did take he stole another ring of mine, but that was loose, so he made it based on that. But yeah, then I had the ring and I wore it and I was shocked and also it was green and green's my favorite color. So it was very sweet. And yeah, then all our friends were there. Then we partied it up. And then that night, I called Ahad and I told him that, dude, he proposed. And Ahad was pissed because he's like, what the hell? I was told it's happening 6 months. Ahad was so angry and so out of it. And the thing is, when I got proposed to, Ahad was my first call. But he was in Canada and he was working. And he didn't answer my call. So he didn't know for a really long period of time, like a couple of hours.
Yeah.
So Ahad unfortunately couldn't make it for the proposal, but yeah, so he was really mad about it. And then obviously we were talking about it. But then that night I called my parents and I was like, we're having a party.
Yeah.
We have to.
Obviously.
And they were like, let's do it.
Yeah.
And the thing is, the one time my dad and I don't fight is when we have to plan a party. We're very aligned.
Nice.
And we're both like very much like event planners,
Yeah.
you know, we love to do that. So Prajay went to sleep that night. He was exhausted. I sat up pretty much all night. I created a guest list. I created an invite. I sent out the invite. I booked the location. And we did everything within that night. I got proposed to on the 9th of December of last year. And on the 16th of December, which is today, was my engagement party last year.
A year.
That is iconic.
Yeah, 16th of December. So 9th and 6th, and we had 250
So you planned the
people.
whole thing in a week.
Yeah, and my outfit, everything in a week we planned it.
That's
and I did it
insane.
in Navy Nagar, so I needed everyone's Aadhaar cards.
Yeah,
so
this is
I
the thing.
got everyone's
Hey, in that
information
club,
also.
what's that
US
club?
Club.
US Club, yeah. It's so nice, that
It's
club.
gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just want to be by the water. So yeah, we had an engagement party and then we decided we'll plan the wedding, and since then we haven't planned the wedding.
But you're saying you're a planner. And you're not
I
able
am,
to.
but you know the thing about a wedding is that it's not like planning a birthday party. I realized. There's
Your
a
birthday
lot-
party was.
My birthday party was sick. By the way, I invited Ria to my birthday party.
Yeah, you tell them what you did.
Tell them what you did.
Sis told me the wrong day.
You went?
No, she gave me the wrong. So okay, wait. I'll say the story. Okay. So she was like, "Listen, I'm celebrating this night. Whatever, come." And she was like, "You need to wear she had this whole Bollywood themed costume party, which was insane." And I was like, "Okay, cool, done." And I was thinking of my costume, and I told you also that I'm gonna go and all that. And fine, all this happened. She sent me some invite that I've never seen before.
A partyful invite. I sent her a
Yes.
partyful invite, and basically it's a link. You open it, and then gives you all the information.
Yeah.
And then if you hit you're going, then it'll send you
Information.
text updates also that the party is
Oh.
tomorrow, the party is here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It sends you constant updates.
I
Don't
didn't
forget.
confirm
She
on
didn't
that thing.
confirm.
But I told Sanu I'm coming.
Yeah.
I didn't confirm on the link.
But Galti se I told her see you Saturday or something like that.
And
but
the
it
party was on Friday. And then I see her story and I'm like, is she having two parties? Like, what's happening? I was like, maybe the first one is for the inner circle. And then I saw her, and then I saw Tanisha's story and I'm like, wait, I've fully missed her birthday. And I was like, what do I do? And at this point, it was literally 2 in the morning or something.
You could have come. The thing is, you could have still come because the party went on till 6. So you
I could have come.
You fully could have come. You would have gone a good 4 hours.
And that would have been the best part of the party.
Part of the
also.
party.
Yeah.
No. That party. So I sent a party for link. I messed up. I told her Friday, Saturday, instead of Friday or something. But I sent her the link. So I was like, oh, link to kholegi na.
Yeah, I
Because
didn't. That was my
in
bad.
the link. Because in the link is how will you know what the address is in the link of the party? The
Yeah.
timing is at the
But I
link of
knew
the party.
already that it was in your building.
Yeah. So then,
I
so you in your head you're like, I don't need to
Yeah, I
check.
was like, I don't need to check. What do I?
Next one.
Next
Next
one,
one.
yeah.
Next one. Next one.
But you mentioned your article also.
Yeah.
In Mumbai Mirror.
Yes.
And we saw it and I tried reading it, but it was really tiny.
Yeah.
घर पे नहीं सुपर नहीं मिलता. Okay, so basically.
Actually, no anymore.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
All digital.
Digital,
That's
yeah.
amazing. Wow. मेरे घर में मिलता
No,
है.
we have.
Yeah.
Yeah, we get newspapers still. But I basically was interviewed for an article that talks about how bridal shopping is already a really stressful process, but also many designers, most designers actually, do not make clothes for all bodies. They
Yeah.
only make clothes for women who are walking the runway.
Yeah.
Right? So when you walk the runway, they make that one sample size, and then it's that sample size only
Yeah.
that goes on and on. So when you go to try an outfit for your wedding, they will sort of shove you into this really small blouse,
Yeah.
and you're not going to fit into the blouse. So they'll pin it to your brow, or whatever.
Yes.
They'll pin
Yeah.
the blouse, and they'll be like, okay, this is what you look like, which I think is a very off-putting experience, and it's a really demeaning experience because
for
it's
sure.
you feel a little bit like a caged animal because they
Yeah.
put you in there and they bring these women come in and they're shoving you in this
Yeah.
outfit, and what's supposed to make you feel like, oh, the princess and the
Yeah.
most beautiful woman in the world, that it makes you feel like it just gives you a lot of body dysmorphia.
Yeah.
So so I have a big problem with designers. But so in that article, I basically was talking about how designers are not making clothes for you, and the
Yeah.
thing is, they are charging exorbitant
Yeah.
exorbitant amounts of money for a bridal lehenga that is not made for you, doesn't fit you, and they're not intending for it to fit you either.
Yeah.
Their intention is not to make you feel like the gorgeous.
You're so
Most
right.
gorgeous woman in the world. Their intention is to body shame you in a big way. So yeah.
You are so right. And by the way, this is for like all shapes and sizes.
Yeah. You could be super skinny,
Yeah.
or you could be oversized. You could be a plus size woman, or like a really petite woman, and they have a comment regardless. It's either you're not eating enough, or you're eating too much, or you need to put on weight for your wedding, or
Or
need to lose weight for your
Someone
wedding.
once said that it's looking like a hanger on you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a common thing, right? It doesn't matter what your size is, that you're never going to be perfect, right? So they'll always have something to say. The unfortunate thing about bridal stuff is that they really want you to look like a runway model. So they do, they like, I have a friend of mine who went right now for a bridal trial, and they told her, abhi acha nahi lag raha hai, par tabhi lagega,
Yes.
because you will lose 10 kilos
But
at least, right?
who
Like they
said-
literally said
what
that
if
to
she
her.
doesn't
Yeah, what if she
lose
doesn't want to
weight?
lose
And that's what and they'll say things like, why don't you wear it here so you look skinnier? And I'm like, have you maybe thought that I don't want to look skinny? I'm very happy with the way I look.
Yeah.
And the other thing is, I'm also a woman with a bigger bust.
Yeah.
So that too they hate. They call us heavy on top.
Sis, yes.
So it's like a whole other thing.
And they don't want to think of an alternate way to make it work either.
And then they want you to wear a blouse that starts here and ends here. And I'm like, my full covering pehniye, bahut acha lag raha hai. I don't want to do that. I'm not interested. So I feel like even they use their expert opinions as a way to body police in a big way. So yeah, not a fan. Hate every designer, every single designer.
You haven't found anyone that's been able to make something.
So they'll make it because you'll pay for it, right? At
But
the end of
they're
the day,
not nice about
they're
it.
not nice about it, and no designer's nice about it. I mean, at least I haven't come across a bridal lehenga designer that has been good about it. I have gone to all of the stores, Bombay, Delhi, from your top-notch bridal stores.
That's actually ridiculous.
And they are awful about it. Like in general, it's a miserable experience. Anyone who enjoys shopping also hates
make you
bridal
hate it.
shopping.
Damn.
Yeah.
Because I hate shopping, chalo. I to hate shopping to begin with, so I had a miserable time. But people who love shopping come out saying, I don't want to do this anymore because the experience is so miserable for most women.
Yeah, no, you're very right about this.
Yeah, so it's awful. I'm actually so nervous for my show tonight, so you crying
Nice
has really
confidence.
helped me.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, at least I hope people laugh.
You're gonna kill
No,
it tonight.
we want to come for the show. For
Tonight,
sure.
though, it's sold out.
Yeah,
but
no, later.
Otherwise,
Sorry.
you guys
Sorry, it's sold out.
sold out tonight.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm
Next time we'll
really nervous. I get very nervous for live shows, so
Has it ever been like no one has laughed?
yeah. I've bombed also.
How does it feel?
I don't think so, bro. You're damn.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not just doing it to chadao you or
I
anything.
have a video, I'll show you. I'm just doing jokes for 10 minutes and there's nobody laughing.
Oh my god.
How can you still
That
keep
is so
going?
nerve wracking.
You know, it's worse for the audience because their secondhand embarrassment for you
Yeah.
is worse than your actual embarrassment on stage. You're fine. After you get off stage, you're like, ठीक है, no one laughed. Kal try karte hain. Like,
Isn't it harder to do it when you're doing it with like other comedians by your side because then people can compare, na?
Yeah.
But people are going to compare anyway, no? It's
Yeah.
okay. In fact, I think it's nicer to do it with other comics also there because then you learn. It's such an stand-up is such an isolating experience because you're doing it alone that when there are other comics, then there's almost like community, you know, like you learn from them, you also hear their
Yeah.
and everyone has a different voice and a
Yeah.
different method and a different way of doing things. So it's always nice to do it with other people. And if you're on stage with multiple comics, then it's too much fun.
It's a vibe. Everyone sets the vibe and everyone's just like laughing and,
and then
fucking
you're
around.
talking to each other. And then
Yeah.
it's so much fun. That honestly, best, favorite time
Yeah.
is to do
Have
it
you
with other
done it
people.
in the US Oh no.
I have actually. So my biggest show ever has been in Toronto so far.
Insane.
Yeah, my biggest and my best show was in Toronto. Toronto's damn good, dude. Everyone, Desis in Toronto are the most excited Desis in the world. So
Really?
they'll come, anyone goes, they'll watch.
They
Because
laugh.
they will laugh.
They just want to support the Desi community.
They are so happy to just see other Desis. That they're very good. Like Toronto, honestly, I'm telling you, I get more recognized in Toronto. People are like more excited in Toronto for anything Desi related.
I guess
so.
also because here they used to, especially Bombay, they used to having like famous faces
Also,
and known
Bombay
people.
were assholes. No, we're like, fuck you, who are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shut up.
That's
New
fine.
York also were assholes.
Yeah.
Fuck you, who are you? Shut up. Toronto were like, who are you?
Yeah.
Nice. Come
Tell me
sit.
more. Yeah.
They're nice. Toronto so far is nice at least. Yeah, I really like it. I love Toronto very, very much. Love New York, love Bombay.
Do you have a favorite? I know you do writing, obviously,
Yeah.
in all your jobs, but do you have a favorite job, like between the freelancing, between stand-up comedy, content creation?
My favorite work, like
Yes.
So my goal in life is to direct. Like I want to be directing feature films. That's my goal. So I have directed a few short films that have gone to the festival circuit, etc. So directing is my favorite thing in the world. So if I get the opportunity to direct ever, that's always what I would pick over
actually quite
anything and everything. Yeah, directing on set being on set is my favorite thing in the world. I just love it when the light is on. Very happy.
I really
Very
feel that
happy.
also.
Yeah, love to be on set no matter how long it is. I've been on set. The thing is, I've worked so many jobs within the film industry also, because I've worked as an AD. I've worked in the production design department. I've worked in I've actually done hair and makeup also. I've assisted hair and makeup. I've been a production assistant on so many sets. I've worked every single department.
Like you just wanted to be on set, so you
Yeah.
did whatever you did.
Exactly.
Good to
So
be there.
that is so exciting. And when you get to work on every department, you learn a lot about every department. And I don't know a lot of things. Like when I was in the camera department, I was so buddhu, like I wasn't understanding anything. I was completely lost, but then you learn. And then when I was, sound is by far, I think, the most important and the scariest department. You fuck up sound, you're fucked.
Yeah.
Right?
Same for us.
Thank you, Kiran. So you fuck up sound, you're fucked. And like literally, and we do so many things. Like right now we're mic'd. We have this mic also. On set, we'll have a boom mic
Yes.
also. We do so many things to make sure that we don't fuck up sound. So there are lots of things, because it really takes a village to put up anything on camera. And there are 800 people who are involved. And every 800 of them have to get it right
Yeah.
for it to go up.
Correct.
So I feel like that whole thing of everyone does it together is also the best feeling in the world.
Yeah.
That's very
Even
true.
if one
Yeah.
person messes up.
Yeah.
the
You're
thing
screwed.
is,
Yeah. Continuity, we
Yeah.
take it so lightly so many times, and I've loved being in the continuity department, because like whenever in Bombay, though, it's an AD who does it.
Yeah.
In America, it's a script supervisor who does it. I loved being script supervisor because you have to be ultra focused on everything, but also what you say is like Bhagwan. If you say, oh, the actor used the left hand, not the right hand. Actor can do whatever they want. They have to use the
right hand.
So that's the thing. So it's fun. It's fun sometimes to be script. Ego ke liye it's very good to be script supervisor.
That's
You're like,
Paloma for us.
like no, but if you get it wrong, you're fucked.
Yeah.
The responsibility is also very high. You get it wrong, oh my god, they'll come to you randomly. Napkin was on left side or right side? I don't know, I can't remember. Ask the
do you
production
remember
designer.
it? Like
You have to
You
keep
take
checking.
notes. You take notes.
Oh.
Also, you take photos of
Yeah.
all the frames. So every time when you start shooting, usually you start with the master, which is the wide.
Yes.
Right. Whatever's on the wide will now be our reference for everything else. So when we go into, we have our wide, then we're doing, let's say, over the shoulder of Ria.
Yeah.
Then if there is a glass on Ria's right, then we have to make sure that the glass
Glass is
is on
always
Ria's
there.
right. But the chances are that if we're going in close, we can't see the glass only.
But you
Then
still
it's
keep
okay.
it now.
It
For
doesn't
safety in
matter.
case.
Yeah.
So for safety, yes. But now let's say the camera needs to be mounted there only.
Then
we'll
you have
move-
to empty that area.
We'll move that entire area, right? Then we have to reset it, because in the let's say we're doing a back shot now. In that shot, I can see the glass.
Ooh.
So all of these things need to be accounted for.
You know,
as a
this is
script
my
supervisor.
favorite thing to do when I watch a movie or anything, to pick out when there is no.
Yeah, because Chutia is like you're sitting here trying to find our mistake. Oh, Game of Thrones में there was Starbucks cup. There was Starbucks cup. Yeah, fucking so much they've done. Starbucks cup dekha tune? Starbucks cup. So that's the problem. This is people
Even
like you
I
are
observe
sitting
a
and
lot. I
watching.
can tell if something is wrong.
Yeah, if you watch Dostana, this is my favorite continuity error. Dostana, no, if you watch the whole movie, now when you watch it, you'll realize Priyanka Chopra's hair is on a different side each shot. Okay, so she'll be here, and she'll be like, "Kya Sam, tum ye kya kar rahe ho?" Then Abhishek Bachchan says something, then she'll be like, "Nahi, ye nahi ho sakta." Then there's another shot, and she'll be like, "Her hair be up." Then she'll be like, "No, Sam, that's not okay." Every shot, her hair is different.
Wait, I want to go back.
You
and
have
see
to
this.
go back and see this, but Priyanka Chopra's hair is a different character only in Dostana.
Even Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, where what's her name? Yeah, Kalki. No, is she
Aditi.
Ranbir and Aditya Roy Kapoor fighting. They're having this pillow fight in her room before the wedding,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And there's this part where her hair is at the back like this,
Yeah.
and then they pan to Ranbir and Aditya, and then they pan back to her, and her hair's like this. And
Yeah.
it happens 4 or 5 times, and I keep every time I watch the movie, because I watched it a lot, I love
Yeah.
it. Every time I watch it, I'm like, oh my god, they should have just fixed this one thing. It would have been perfect.
Yeah, that's the thing. But you have to see the way I think of it is it's movie magic, right?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
right now, also we've played with our hair 800 times.
Yeah.
So just in your head, assume that child hair they're playing with. So
Yeah.
that's why
Yeah.
it's not
Yeah.
fixed. Because people's bodies, you may do something,
Yeah.
but physical items, which becomes your production design,
Yeah.
if that is moving too much, you will notice it. For scripted, you have to keep it in
Yeah.
alignment. Unscripted people give you a lot of choot ki, theek hai, this is...
It's so interesting to know that I didn't know this about you, but when I had the conversation, so when I came on Someone Stop Sanya and when I started the pod, it was around the same time, okay?
Yeah.
And you told me something very interesting that I was sharing with Kanchi also, that you guys have to figure a new production for every single episode,
yeah.
because the set isn't the same, the people aren't the
Yeah.
same, the activity isn't the same, the location, everything.
Everything is different.
And it's like 10x the work.
It is. So for Someone Stop Sanya, basically the premise of the show is that every episode we try to do something new. I'm put in a situation where I've never been put in before. I'm doing an activity that I've never done before. And as I'm doing that, we learn
Yeah.
something new about it. So whether it is off-roading or high rocks or being a parlor didi
Yeah.
for a day or whatever it is, it's a different thing. So that means it's a different location, a different set of people who are going to be on it. And we don't know what to expect. See, with unscripted stuff, we come up with, like, as you guys do,
Yeah.
a set period of you all will come up with, these are the questions we'll go about, right? Here we come up with, like, okay, this is what, we do a lot of research on what it is that we are doing. So for example, let's take off-roading, okay, for example, because that's an outdoor shoot, so there's more things you can't control.
Yeah.
So it's an outdoor shoot. We don't know a lot of things. One thing we really keep, we make sure we have is that we have very, very good experts, because safety is a very, very important thing
Yeah.
for us. So we have to make sure safety is okay. We have to make sure our experts are actually experts. They know what they're doing. And then we sort of just let it go. We have a little bit of structure in terms of what we have like planned. We'll have a couple of things planned, like, okay, we'll gamify this section.
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll do this. But for the most part, I also don't know a lot of the things, because we have to keep it natural on camera.
Correct.
And we really want it to be as unscripted as possible.
Yeah.
We don't script anything.
Yeah.
The only thing that's scripted is the team comes up with like a game at the end.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Or a flow or something.
Yeah.
Or a flow. That's
Yeah.
all. And most of the work is in the edit, which is why our editor is brilliant. Shout out Somesh, you rock. But our editor is the best, and our team is all very focused. So we really sit on, figuring out what's the best way. And the thing is, sometimes our episodes are 25 minutes and sometimes they're 18. So it's really a different flow, and every episode is very, very different.
And you
from
only
each
do
other.
one at a time. Like if you're working
One
on one,
activity,
it's
yeah.
fully done. Then the
next one. Yeah.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
For us, it's all like once there's something decided, like say the edit or even the color correction or anything.
Yeah.
And the smallest thing, once it's decided, it stays.
It has to
sticks.
be
It has to be consistent.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for us, we have one thing that's consistent is in our confessionals, we always have the stop sign.
Ah.
We always have the pink stop sign. So that is like we try to do like few things here and there
Yeah.
to. Our flow is the same, right, for
Correct.
every episode. But we try to keep few things that's similar. We're actually doing Someone Stop Sanya Shadi season also, because I'm getting married for the
Yeah.
first time. Never done it before. It's a new activity. I'll tell you if I recommend doing it or not. So we're doing the Shadi season
Love
also, which
that.
will be coming out around the time that this episode will be coming
Crazy.
out. Yeah, so we're gonna cover, we're gonna do 4 episodes, and we're going to cover everything that goes into
Your
this
wedding?
Shadi, into my wedding.
So even at your wedding, your production team is going to be.
my
my
production team is
God.
going to be there, and the thing is, you're going to see like the ugly side.
Like a
you
web
know what I'm
show.
saying? Like when I say the ugly side, I mean quite literally, because Somesh loves to zoom into my face and show you really, really awful things. Hopefully, my makeup will be very good at my wedding, so that won't be a problem. But basically, we're going to show you the musty side of it. That's like the planning, the madness,
Insane.
the
We'll watch for
fighting,
sure.
Yeah.
the chachi that's troubling and the chachi that's helping and all of
Chachi,
that
stop
stuff. So all the chachis are involved and all of the stuff is involved. So yeah, we're gonna do a episode like thing of.
I am
Are
so
you
excited
filming it
for this.
already, or you're gonna? Only...
Yeah, we've been filming Sangeet practices. We've been filming
But you said
a
you're
lot of
not
that stuff.
planning. You're not...
I'm planning. So the good thing is I've thought of my wedding as work now.
Content.
So
Yeah.
when I've thought of the wedding as work, then it's happening.
So
'cause
fair.
Then I'm like, it's work. Now
I have to
need
make
do it.
videos out of
I
it.
have to make
Make the
videos out
most
of
out
it.
of
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Dude, I will do. And people say I don't want brands at my wedding, all of that stuff. I'm not getting, please give. If anyone wants to give brands for the wedding, please give. Honestly, if Milan Supari says we will give you money, you'd make a har of Milan Supari, I will do it. I have no shame. I will do it. मुझे फर्क नहीं
The
पड़ता.
most Sindhi thing I have
don't care.
ever heard.
Any brand, I will get married in front of a fridge if the fridge is going to sponsor it. मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
But
If
is
you're-
Praja okay with this?
Yeah, you know how expensive it is to have a wedding. Whichever brand wants to work with me, I'm ready. I will give you whatever deliverables you want. I'll do it. I don't care. Are you mad? You know how expensive a wedding is? But I'm not getting any. I just want to say it's not as easy. I thought, everyone tells me, oh, you are a content creator. So, like, I'm sure so many people must be wanting to sponsor your wedding. Ghanta. Nobody's sponsoring my wedding. I'm not getting any fucking brand deals out of this nonsense. They're all coming last minute and being like, oh, we'll give us 85 reels, 2 photos, this, that. We'll give you like this much, 5 rupees, you keep. So I'm like, no matter what, I'm not doing this nonsense. So yeah, I'm not getting anything out of this. This is fully useless. It's a myth. I also thought I would get. Not getting.
Yeah, but
I would be in a tough place. Like, I wouldn't know if I want to do a brand for my wedding or do I want to keep it
Prableen,
personal. Yeah.
Yeah.
she shot for a brand before every single.
Yeah. She was a K beauty bride.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
I saw that.
Before every function, she
had
shot
different
film. That's damn tough, yeah.
It is tough. So it is not easy. I'm not saying it's easy at all, but I'm telling you, when you see the bill, no, per
You'll
plate
be like,
cost,
you'll do it.
You'll do it. After you see
So
per
fair.
plate cost, you'll do it. Because it's insanity. The wedding industry and paying for a wedding is horrible. So at that point, you're like, if I have to make a video, no, even though you don't want to, it's
Yeah.
your day and it's a day you don't want to be working and it's a day you don't want to like look into camera and be like, hi guys, get ready with me. Because you're dying. You're so fed up.
Yeah.
I'm not doing most, so I'm not doing any beauty brand or anything like that. I'm trying to keep things that are more natural
Yeah.
to what I would anyway use. But you will consider it for sure because it becomes the cost for these things are very high. And if there's something you can do to offset it, then you
You
Why
will.
not? Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
for sure.
Yeah.
I actually saw your videos that you said that please don't ask when my younger sister is getting married. We don't have money to get her married.
We don't have money to get married. Sorry, it's all over in this
I was like,
one.
that's so funny.
Yeah, Tanisha's wedding will be sponsored by Milan Supari. Milan Supari, I'm coming for you. I don't know why I want Milan Supari to sponsor, but
Random.
they have money, dude, Supari companies.
How you know?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, actually
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
Salman
They
Khan
get
and all in the
Shah
ads.
Rukh,
Yeah.
Salman-
Come on, dude. Ajay Devgan, Shah Rukh
Yeah.
Khan, वो पैसे वाले लोग हैं यार. You have to give me Milan Supari's connect.
Okay, we have a game for you now.
Okay,
Yes.
let's go.
Yes.
I'll win. Oh, I'm not playing against anyone. Yes, I won already. I love it.
If you make me cry, you win.
I already won. I won.
Now.
Now again,
Yeah.
this is too much. I'm already
It's
sweating
a
quite a bit.
comedian edition.
Oh, Slay. Oh, you're
Yeah.
gonna ask me to bitch about other comics or
No,
what?
no. So
I'll do it. No, I'm just
we'll
kidding.
give you a sentence and you just have to complete it.
Okay, cute. My God, they're testing my abilities. Okay, cute.
Yeah. So the first one is the problem with adulting is
You have too many bills.
Fair, that's too
Real.
real. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's damn real.
Yeah. Oh, you all want like a funny one?
you can
You
like
can't pick your
whatever.
nose in public and like people will, you know, consider
Yeah.
it bad. As a child, you can eat your
Yes.
booger also. They're like, cute.
Kids that pee in pools.
Hey, 1 second. I want to. Everyone has peed in a pool. Ria, shut up.
I have never.
I have peed in a pool.
What nonsense. You have peed. You
No.
have peed
You've
in
not
a pool.
Maybe I don't know if I was a kid.
She has done susu. 100% you have done susu. In the ocean, do you do susu?
No.
You come out of the ocean
I
and
will,
then
yeah,
if
I'll
you're in
control. I
Goa,
will control.
you'd control all day.
In Goa, we don't.
Don't lie. Tell me the truth. Full day.
I have not.
Have you peed in the ocean when you're with me?
No, I have
I
never
would like
peed
to
in the
say they are
ocean.
lying.
No, I've peed in the pool.
You peed and you
Yes.
don't pee in the ocean.
I mean, I haven't wanted to pee in the ocean.
Yeah.
I have peed in the ocean. I have peed in the ocean. When I'm in Goa, I'm sitting there, I'm in the ocean. My options are either pee here or go to that dirty shack,
bathroom and pee
there,
there.
that
Yeah.
dirty bathroom. मैं तो ocean में ही सुसु करेगा. Sorry. I'm to do it. I do it and my friend Emily, we have this thing. Whenever we're in, so we go to Puerto Rico a lot in New York, like our Goa is Puerto Rico.
Yeah.
We are convinced that 20% of Puerto Rico ka pani is mine and Emily's susu. We've done lots of susu in Puerto Rico.
Already, I don't want to swim at Anjana. Now that Sanu says that she's peed, I really
I'm
don't
sure
want
which are not done susu. Go ahead.
The proposal
Only played
beach.
badminton there. I'm not done susu there. Huh.
Okay, next one is Indian parents think success means.
Paisa. Money. Success means being richer than your cousin.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So true. The worst advice I've ever received was
Be yourself.
everyone gives this advice.
This stupid be yourself. No? Some people are really shit. They shouldn't be there. Maybe, you know, worst advice also is like, I think my therapist once told me to be myself. And I was like, you see only one version of me. Okay, you don't know all the multiple versions of me. Be yourself light, like Diet Coke. You know, like be...
Like not the
that
full heavy
yourself.
version of it.
There's no need to be yourself 24/7. Take it easy. Give only little bit at a time.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be your whole self. Be media trained little. I get like, every podcast I go on, I
You
get
are not
cancelled.
media trained.
Yeah, but I'm being too much of myself. I'm telling you to learn. Be yourself, light version.
But you know, even when you are, I mean, not to like, you know, argue your point or anything, but even when you are being yourself, and you think you're getting cancelled, there are a lot of people that actually agree with you, but they won't say it because even
Yeah.
they'll get cancelled.
Yeah, you go to Reddit and see what they're saying. My God, you're like exploiting Reddit. You know, my biggest piece of advice: stop Reddit.
Yeah.
Literally,
Yeah, I
it's
agree, yeah.
insane.
Yeah, Reddit is horrible.
Be yourself, but I don't think you have to be yourself like unapologetically all the time. It's okay to give people 30% of yourself and then to keep the rest to yourself. It's okay. There's no need to go full
Only
out.
the sides you want people to see.
Yeah, it's fine. Be diplomatic. Fuck it.
Kanchi agrees with you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Money doesn't buy happiness, but
No, money buys happiness. I don't agree with the statement. What nonsense. All these people, money doesn't buy happiness. Poor chutias. Fucking at. You know, Asanya, more money means more problems. No, it doesn't. More money means more money. You have more money. All problems can be solved with money. This whole money doesn't buy happiness is something we tell ourselves. Poor people
Yeah.
tell
Because
ourselves.
we don't have the
Because
money.
you don't have the money. That's why you're like, money doesn't buy happiness. Chal, nonsense. So she is planning to take shuttle from her house to the station. Money doesn't buy happiness. Bullshit.
no, but I believe money buys happiness.
Money
I'm a
buys
little
happiness.
materialistic in that sense.
Money buys happiness for everybody. If you have money, it will make your
you
life
happy.
easier. That is
yeah.
just the truth.
200%.
Yeah.
Dating in your 20s feels like.
I've not been single since I was 12, guys.
Is Praja the only person you've ever dated?
In my whole entire life.
Wow.
So dating in my 20s feels like dating in my teenage years. Same. It feels like dating according to you, in my 50s
That's
also.
so
So
cool,
it's the
yeah.
same.
I wish this was my life.
Yeah,
this
I've
is
only
the
been with
perfect
Manboy.
love story.
Your last month of dating and then
And then
finally,
Shadi. Yeah, but we've also lived together. So it doesn't
Yeah.
feel very different, honestly. We've lived together, we've spent, same it is. We're just putting...
You're going to be moving up and
tag
down
to
even
it.
after.
Yeah, I'm going to be up and down even after. We're just doing paperwork. Is the way I
Yeah.
see it is a big party and paperwork.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sexy. Okay. The
And he
biggest...
gets my NSCI membership. Which he's very excited about. That's actually why he's
Bro,
marrying
you
me.
know, men And club membership
It's crazy.
is like a thing.
He loves NSCI. Okay, he's
waiting.
so excited to get his NSCI membership. It's not even funny.
Does he play like paddle?
No,
and
nothing.
pickle?
He's just excited to get membership. He doesn't like sports. He's like, I'll come, I'll eat, I'll do massage. I'm like,
I'll do
wow.
massage.
I'm like, wow, I didn't realize marriage means we are 75 years old now. You know? Yeah, he's very excited to just come eat club sandwich.
I
you
get
know?
the 01 next to his name.
Literally, that's all he wants. He's literally so excited about his NSCI membership. I'm convinced that the reason he's marrying me is for his
for the
NSCI
membership.
membership. And he's asking them also, he's like, अगर हमारा divorce हो जाए, तो मेरा membership जाएगा.
Yeah,
In fact,
it goes.
NSCI is loyal to me.
Yeah, you're the primary member.
I'm the primary member. He's going to be dependent member.
That's
so
right.
If I catch him slipping,
It's called member's husband, by the way.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have all the power in this relationship because I have NSCI
If
membership.
if he does anything,
yeah, it's
your
over.
NSA membership gone.
Out.
Exactly.
Okay, next one. The biggest scam after school is.
For me, I feel like in school they told me that the real world is really scary. But my school, the nuns used to beat us. So the real world was very nice.
Actually,
after that.
physically.
Yes. My school, they were really rude. The nuns beat us. They were very nasty. They called us whores and sluts and things. I learned the meaning of the word prostitute because a nun called me one.
What? In school?
So, yeah, so actually, the real world, very nice in comparison. Yeah, we were trained in school only. So
What the
school was
hell?
quite...
What school?
I went to Villa Teresa High School on Pedder Road, only girls Catholic convent school.
I know this
Feel
school.
free to keep this in the edit.
Wait,
Do not
actually,
cut
are you
this.
joking?
I'm not joking. They were awful. I hate my school. I'll one day do a op-ed on how much I hated my school. Yeah, horrible. My friends are great though. Love you guys.
Yeah.
Because Oliver went through the same
Yeah.
thing.
Trauma
same thing
bonding.
together. Yeah.
Is what we call it. Yeah.
That's crazy. Okay.
I knew I was officially old when.
I'm not, guys. I know you'll want me to be.
No, even we've been feeling very
Yeah.
old lately. Like, we've
I
been
don't
talking
feel
about
old.
it.
In fact, I'll tell you my problem. I think in Bombay we have this idea of like, oh, we're old now. I don't feel old at all. I feel like we are not even on our first season of Sex and the City.
Bro, that's such a good
You're so
idea.
right.
Oh my god.
I'm not old at all.
Can we make that a quote and put it on the wall?
By the way, I just want to give Tanisha credit. This is really Tanisha's quote, not mine. She says it all the time. But we're not even like Friends or any of the shows you've seen. We're like on season 1 or 2.
Yeah, you're so right.
We're not even like I'm not old. I have so much time. Bhai, people are living till they're 90. We have so much time. I'm not old at all. I'm feeling great right now. I honestly can't wait to be 30. I feel like I love the idea of being 30 because in 13 going on 30, she's 30.
And she's so cool.
And she's so cool and she's having
Yeah.
so much fun and living her life. So honestly, I feel like everyone in Bombay needs to chill.
Yeah.
Stop aging. Your mindset is annoying the shit out of me.
Oh, no.
It's not your age. It's your back problems are not real. Stop trying to. First of all, everyone's trying to give themselves a back
don't have
problem.
back
You
problems.
don't have back problems. Okay.
have back-
If
You
you're
keep
sitting on
saying
your
your back
sorry.
hurts.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I realize I'm old because I'm talking like my mom now. 'Cause I'm like, it's sitting on your phone 24/7. Your back's gonna hurt even if you're fucking 5 years old. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have back problems. So I'm trying to glorify back problems. You don't have back problems. Go to the gym. Do high rocks.
Oh god.
Idea.
Don't do high rocks. Okay, next one. My toxic trait is.
I'm nasty. Like I can be really. My toxic trait is that I come with subtitles. I can't really conceal my emotions.
Us.
Yeah. So I feel like if I'm annoyed or I'm upset or if I'm judging you or whatever,
You look it.
you'll see it on my face. Like I will roll my eyes in front of you and not realize that I've rolled my eyes. Once my friend told me that. Once my friend literally told me, she's like, Sani, I'm afraid that your eyeball will get stuck because you roll it so much. I'm very like to your face. I don't know how to conceal my emotions, and I'm not very media trained. I say exactly what I'm thinking at all times. I speak first, think after, which is a problem I have.
You speak too soon.
I speak too soon. I do speak too soon, yes.
Should we end it last
Yeah.
one? Okay, you pick which one.
My love languages.
Bullying.
I fully see that actually.
Yeah. manipulation and bullying. No, I think if I'm like, this is such a toxic thing to say, but if I'm mean to you, then I love you. Like,
yeah.
it's like if like I can't. I'm not a big like affection girly. Like first of
Yeah.
all, I don't touch. I'm a
Okay.
big don't touch me.
Yeah.
I would say in the options, quality time would be. I love to spend time with my friends, but in that time, I will be very rude to you. But in the
But they
most
know.
loving
Most
way.
good friendships are like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I feel like I go off like jokes and fun and that kind of
Yeah.
stuff.
And you
so
keep everyone in the room entertained.
So they
inshallah,
love it.
hopefully, always.
Yeah, you have kept everyone entertained here today.
Are you all happy? Yeah, thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. Yeah, okay,
Big
cool.
thumbs up.
Big thumbs up.
From the girl that
team
tried to
likes
record
me. The team likes me. I don't care what you all think. Okay, sitting at home.
But still comment down
Yeah.
below and tell her what you thought about the episode.
Congratulate
Don't
her.
cancel me.
Yeah, congratulate Sanya and Praja in the comments.
Thank you very much. Yes, we are married now. Very nice.
Okay, so at the end of the episode, we always recommend something. Richie
Okay.
recommends. You can recommend anything you want: show, movie, content creator,
Okay, cute.
anything.
Okay, so I would highly recommend this artist named Bad Bunny. He
Yes.
is. I don't really recommend him. He's number one on Spotify
Yes.
right now.
Yeah.
He's my favorite artist. He has been my favorite artist for like years now.
Even when he wasn't number one on
Even when he
Yeah.
was number one, I'm like one of his
OGs.
OG, fans. I have watched his work for a really, really long time, heard his work for a really, really long time, and I've been to his concerts also. I'm obsessed with him. Highly, highly recommend Bad Bunny. It's so sad because for a really long time, when I would tell people about Bad Bunny in Bombay, they'd be like, who's that? And I'd have
Yeah.
to be like, you've heard that song, I Like It by Cardi B, the guy who goes, Jumbo, Jumbo. That's him. But now everyone knows DDNF
Yes.
which
Yeah.
went viral. But one of my favorite songs from Bad Bunny is the song called La Humpa, which is like one of my favorite songs. So highly recommend.
I haven't heard that. I
we'll
will
listen to it
yeah, on
now.
the way
It's
home.
spelled as La Jumpa, okay? Because
The spelling.
Spanish. But he's
Sick.
really good, and a lot of his old music is phenomenal. So I would highly recommend you guys listen to some Bad Bunny. And
Amazing recommendation, bro.
I saw this post where it was like in the last 5 years, the only 2 people who have been on top 1 Spotify has been Taylor Swift, Bad Bunny, Taylor Swift,
yeah,
Bad
because
Bunny.
he's
Taylor
amazing.
Swift.
Oh, really?
You know, the funny thing is that I told Mustan Sironi, my friend, that I love Bad Bunny, whatever. I made him listen to some Bad Bunny a couple of, like 2-3 years ago. He thought he was supporting some local Spanish artist that I had found, and that was my friend. I was like, if I was friends with Bad Bunny, I would not be getting married to Praja right now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no.
Listen, don't ever let your husband stop you from finding your soulmate.
Stop talking. We need to end this
Now I
episode
get cancelled. Here we go. Yeah.
We are obviously going to recommend
Someone
Someone
Stop
Stop
Sanya.
Sanya.
Watch everything.
Amazing show. I've seen it. Very good. The
Yeah.
girl in it, quite funny actually. I like her.
Yeah.
Riya has been on it.
Yeah, Riya's been on
But
it.
don't watch that episode. Watch everything but that episode.
It's a great stimulation, that episode. Yeah.
Yeah,
Big
we had
mistakes
so
were
much fun. You
made.
made us laugh, bro.
Thank you,
I think
thank
we should
you.
only call comedians on the
On
pod.
the pod,
We
yeah,
can have
for
a
real.
great time.
For sure.
No, thank you so much for having me on the show. I had a great time. Thank you for letting me come in my most favorite
You can take a
attire.
nap here now.
No, I have lots of work to do. I'm gonna run, but I had the best time. You guys are very cute, very funny, and thank you for
thank
laughing.
you.
Great audience, by the way. Great fucking audience. Thank you for having me, and even the team was amazing.
So sweet. Guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Congratulate Sanya and Praja in the comments because she is officially a wife. And
Why Farah?
what
That's
else?
crazy.
Listen to us on Spotify,
Follow us.
on Instagram, subscribe to us on YouTube,
Follow
subscribe to
Sanya.
Yeah.
Yay, do all of that.
Sanya's YouTube channel.
Yes.
Yes,
And
everything
we
is
will-
down below.
See you same time next week, same place.
Bye.